Ever notice this? A 50 MB app takes forever to download, while a 1 GB game finishes in just a few minutes. Strange, right? Well, let's break down why this happens, because it's not really about the file size. Most people think smaller file equals faster download, but that's not always true. The speed of your download depends on a lot of hidden factors. First, the server speed. If the app is hosted on a slow or overloaded server, your internet will crawl, no matter how small the file is. On the other hand, a large game stored on a high-speed server can blast into your device in no time. Second, bandwidth allocation. Some servers cap the maximum speed each user gets. Imagine 100 people sharing one small straw. You'll sip slower, even if you only need a small drink. Third, network congestion. If the route between you and the server is packed with traffic, your data slows down. That's why downloads can be slower at peak internet hours. Fourth, CDNs. Big companies like Google or Microsoft use global delivery networks. This means the file comes from a server close to you, giving you maximum speed. Smaller apps often don't have this advantage and may only be hosted on one slow server far away. Here's an easy way to picture it. Downloading is like filling containers with water. A tiny bottle might take longer if the tap is dripping, but a huge bucket can fill up faster if the tap is wide open. It's not the size of the container, it's the flow of water that matters. So, the next time your small app download feels like it's stuck in slow motion, remember, it's not your device and it's not the file size. It's all about the server speed, bandwidth, network traffic, and whether a CDN is involved. If you found this useful, hit like, share it with a friend who's always complaining about slow downloads, and subscribe for more tech explained simply.